Hi, this is Mixing Side with LSK, and I'm your host, Kangelaki, also known as LSK from Pro Media Records. In this video, I'm going to show you how you create your project professionally in Cubase. And in order for me to do that, I'm going to tell you two important things that you have to really note when creating a project. Number one is the project folder, and number two is the destination folder. The destination folder will keep your project folder. The project folder is a place where everything that you're going to record in that particular project will be stored in. So how you create those folders, I'm going to show you right in Cubase. This is Cubase 7. So in any Cubase, it's the same. Just below here, Cubase is telling you a default location for the folder. So this is my default location. This is a Cubase project folder as a default one. But normally you would want to change this because somebody would come and format your PC or your Mac without your knowledge, and then you might lose out everything because this folder is stored in the operating system folder. So in my case, what I do when it comes to this folder, I have created a folder called Pro Media Datas. It is in this folder that I put my datas in. So, but for the demonstration's sake, I'm going to go on my desktop so that we try to move together. I'll go on my desktop. Let me go to Users, then Pro Media Records, and then Desktop. Here on my desktop, I'll create a new folder. I'm going to name this folder as test 1. So if I create this folder, test 1 is a folder that I've created. This folder will keep all my datas that I'm going to create right now. But this one will just be for demonstration. But you can keep also a folder like that if you want to have folders in one location. When you create it like that, it'll be best. So now I'm going to create, what I'm creating here is a project folder. A project folder is a folder that will store now the information that you'll be adding on your project. So now let me just put in a project folder. I'm going to say, okay, this is project 1. Project 1. I name it 1. Then I'll say create. Immediately we create like this, Cubase will open up like this. But now let's go on desktop and take a look. And I look for my folder on desktop, test. This is my folder. Now, in my test, I find my project folder 1, and it has created another folder. But immediately I save. Let me come back here. If I save now the project, it will be saving in project 1. So I'm going to set this is project 1. Project 1. Then save. If I go back to my folder on my desktop, you'll find now the Cubase icon there created. Immediately I try to record myself. Let me try to, if I can manage, let me just add some audios, tracks. If I come here, add audio track. I want it mono. Let me say 5. Okay, it is created. So now I've created my track there. If I press record and Cubase records anything there, it's going to create something in that folder. Now the audios will be created. The image folder has been created. The track picture has been created, and the tracks that I've just recorded are here. This is how you best create your project. Now, let's say this project, you are done recording with this project and you close it up and you want to create a new project, and your new project, you want it to go in test in the same folder, test one. So now if you want it to go in test one, when you come to Cubase here, you go on file, new project, check what happens. The folder, the default folder now becomes test one. What you do here, you just have to come and create project project, because now you're creating your project folder. This is project number 2. And then you say create. What happens that Cubase has told the PC to say create a folder in test 1 separate from project number 1, but now it will be project number 2. Let's go and check on Finder there. You see, this is how you start to lay out your projects individually. So it means that whatever you're going to record right now in project number 2 will be only stored in project number 2. And if you happen to send the data to somebody, you will just grab project number 1 and send it to somebody easily and straightforward. Unlike having projects that will have different audio pools, or this one gets the other pool, this one gets the other pool, and you know your data can only work on your PC. When you try to move them, the files will be missing in them. So this is how you get to create a project in Cubase, and hope you've learned something. And this is how you can create projects that you also send to me when you want them for mixing. It is very easy that way, so that you don't have any file missing. Next time we'll talk about something else. Thank you for watching, and this is Mixing Side with LSK, and I'm your host Kangelaki, also known as LSK from Pro Media Records. And leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up below, and also don't forget to like our YouTube channel and Facebook channel, so that you get updated to new postings, new things. And very soon I'll be giving away my audio book, so that you get to listen to some of the tutorials that I've laid out on my audiobooks about setting up your home studio, knowing your gear and the like. So get glued and watch the videos that I'll be posting later. Thank you for watching. Till next time.